Hello everyone, this is my AP Calculus passion project, and as you guessed it, yes, this is about eco-friendly living. Okay, stop right there. I promise I'm not too weird. Well, besides the fact that I have a green thumb. Not funny? Okay. Well, here are my 5 tips to not only benefit Mother Nature, but our future generations to come. So, tip number 1, cut down on meat consumption. No, I'm not asking you all to go vegan. I'm not even vegan. But I do think it is important to understand that it takes 2,400 gallons of water to produce 1 pound of meat. So essentially, you'd save more water by not eating 1 pound of meat than you would if you didn't shower for 6 months. Did you know that the #1 leading cause of deforestation is the farming of cattle? Every 6 seconds, 1 acre of rainforest is cut down just for cattle farming. I know this is what you think vegetarianism is. Gosh, I sure am hungry this afternoon. I am so sorry to break it to you, but you are wrong. On a vegetarian diet, one is not limited to just vegetables, but an abundance of great food options you probably were never likely to try otherwise. This is besides the fact that it is a healthier diet, it is not involved in the unethical treatment of animals, and it lowers one's carbon footprint. Tip number 2. Stop your plastic contribution. It is amazing to walk into any grocery store and actually recognize the unnecessary plastic being used. In 2015, 381 billion tons of plastic was produced globally. But it takes approximately 450 years to 1,000 years for plastic to decompose. This is why we should utilize grocery stores that offer bulk food sections, as it reduces plastic waste and can even help us save money. Another huge factor of plastic pollution is the single-use plastic, such as water bottles. According to National Geographic, 91% of plastic isn't even recycled. So to save money and utilize sustainability, get a reusable bottle. Tip number 3. Do not waste electricity. How easy is it to turn off your light when you leave a room or unplug unnecessary appliances when not used? By doing so, efficiently using electricity reduces the amount of fuel needed to generate electricity and the amount of greenhouse gases emitted. Tip number 4. Donate and stop fast fashion. Fast fashion is cheap clothing that is produced rapidly by mass market retailers. Cheap clothing is quickly thrown into our landfills, leaving toxic chemicals and dyes that contaminate the surrounding soil and water. So you can easily donate old clothes, buy from sustainable brands, or thrift shop. Finally, tip number 5. Stay informed. Our generation is so easily infatuated by trends on social media, but rarely take action. It doesn't take hours of documentary binge watching to comprehend the damage we have done to our environment. You can quickly check environmental posts on Instagram, or people's Instagram stories, as they've been everywhere, to stay informed on the most immediate details we have on our depleting environment.